Hi, Robin here from Robin Stromes. Today we're going to talk about accessories, recommended accessories for the DJI Mini 2 and the DJI Mini 2 SE. So the first recommended accessory is obviously a spare battery, because one of these is good for what, 22 minutes, but you're soon out of juice. So I'd say buy 2 or possibly even 3. And also label your batteries so you can cycle them better. That's the batteries out of the way. Next is the DJI hub, charging hub. And this is pretty cool because you can use it as a power bank if needed. It's just slot the batteries in. And also it tells you what the charge is, 100%. That's between 75 and 100. And it's got a good feature of it will always charge the most emptiest, it will charge the fullest first so that you've got a clean battery to start. So yeah, I thoroughly recommend the charging hub. Around £40 on Amazon. Next up is a VIFLY strobe light. These things let you see the drone from up to 2 miles away, I believe, and they're extremely bright. I'll just turn it on to show you. Well, you can't really see how bright it is, but there you go. That's how bright she is. All different colours. It attaches to your drone with Velcro. So you just stick it wherever you want. Some people like to put it underneath. I like to put mine on the back. You can see that from miles away. The Velcro is really good quality 3M stuff. It's hard to get it off. Let's turn that off. That's already blinded me. Next up, memory cards. I recommend these little babies, Samsung 256 Evo Select. And it's rated a 3 UHS-I, so it's full speed for 4K. I recommend getting at least one spare and one in the drone. Next up, a simple little thing that's often overlooked, glass wipes for the gimbal to clean the camera. Next up, if you haven't already bought the combo kit, you don't get the strap and you don't get the bag and you don't get the charging hub. But this little strap is excellent. It keeps it all secure. Nothing's going to get damaged. I'll show you how to put it on. So you just pack your drone away, put the blades there. This little slot goes here under the gimbal cover, and then you just simply click it in place. It's brilliant, really secure. Next up is a power bank. Now I've got an Anker one and an INIU one. They're both rated at 20,000 milliamp hours. They should be good for around 8 battery charges. Beauty of that is you can be out somewhere remote, take the charging hub with you, plug it in, and you're good to go. It's charging the batteries. I'll put links to everything on the description. Next up, you've seen this before, but you can buy these on eBay, but they're 3D printed battery removal tool. I'll show you now. So if I put a battery in the drone, I really struggle to get these batteries out. They're so tight and you can't really get your finger in there to pull it out. It's just extremely difficult. But with this tool, you simply locate it. As you can see, squeeze it and pull. Dead simple. Next up is a bag. Now I recommend the DJI bag. It's just brilliant. It's got a shoulder strap, fits everything in there. In fact, let's put everything in now to show you how much room there is actually in there. So let's open the bag up. Drone will go in this compartment, like so. Remote control goes here. The charging hub will go down here. Strobe light, well, you can put that anywhere, put that there. Battery removal tool, that can go down there. I've not actually tried if a power bank fits there, but let's see. Take the cable off. Yep, you might even be able to fit two power banks in there. It's a tight squeeze, but memory cards go in this little compartment. Put them in there, zip it all up. Yeah, see, and you're good to go. There's also another little compartment here for, I keep my licenses and flyer IDs and stuff. One for Europe there, as you can see. And the last thing is a landing mat. This one is made by a company called SYMIK. It's double-sided, it's orange and in black. Folds up nicely. As you can see, unfortunately, that doesn't fit in the bag. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm just waiting for a less windy day to go flying now. So, please leave a like and consider subscribing. Thank you very much. See you later.